What's the meaning of camera obscura? Camera obscura. Camera obscura.
Camera obscura. Camera obscura. Camera obscura is a Latin term that literally translates to dark chamber. It refers to a device that has been used by artists and scientists for centuries. A camera obscura is essentially a box or room with a small hole or aperture in one side. When light enters through the aperture, it projects an inverted image of the outside world onto the opposite wall or surface. The resulting image is upside down because light travels in straight lines and crosses over when passing through the hole. This phenomenon helped to lay the foundations for modern photography and cinematography.